Hello ladies, friends. I am going to talk to you right now about something that I'm really passionate about, and that's keeping my brushes clean. So I have right here some Restore brush cleaner. This is what I use during the week to keep my brushes clean between application of my eyeshadows, highlighter, contour. And then it also helps get a lot of the makeup off before you actually wash your brushes. You should wash your brushes once a week with mild soap and water. You can use Ivory soap, baby shampoo. I actually have some Dove soap that I keep on my counter. Just rub the brush in the soap like that under water, and you'll see the makeup come right off. It's really good. So I'm going to show you how to remove your makeup off of your brush in between brushings, in between cleanings with your Restore. So you can see from this cloth that I have makeup on this brush. So I'm going to take my Restore brush cleaner, and I am going to just spray that brush. And I'm gonna clean that brush. See how easy that was? Let's take one that's a little more dirty than that. How about one that I've used my makeup with? So let's find another spot here. Here's a clean spot on the cloth. I'm gonna spray my brush, maybe 3 sprays. And then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna rub it like that. And see my my brush is getting clean. Why would you want to keep your brushes clean, ladies? Well, a couple of reasons. So looks nice, right? So I can use that. I can dip that in any color. It's not gonna have extra makeup. It's not gonna gunk up my face. Here's this one. This one has some pink color on it. We'll see how well that gets cleaned off. How's that? Simple? Takes no time at all. So there's no reason to be using the dirty brush on your face during the week. So there you go. This brush cleaner is, oh, this lasts a good long time. And it smells like cotton candy. It's fabulous. I've used other brush cleaners. This is the best I've found for in-between cleanings. And then nothing is a substitute for a good wash, ladies. Never soak your brushes. These are double-ended brushes. Never soak them in anything in water, because the water will get in here, which is not good. But wash each end and rinse it, and then wash the other end. Each brush is double-ended, so you get dual use out of each one of your brushes. So they're very reasonably priced to get 2 brushes in one. So this one right here is my favorite. I love a fluffy brush. I just blend everything in. So hope that was informative. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions, just drop a comment, and feel free to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks. Have a good day.